Welcome to Electric and Hybrid Cars, where we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge automobiles. Today, we'll be exploring the Cupra Terramar, a bold SUV that marks a new era for the Cupra brand. From its stunning design and luxurious interior to its innovative hybrid engine options, the Terramar promises to be a game-changer. Join me as we uncover everything you need to know about this exciting new SUV. Let's get started! The Cupra Terramar, introduced in 2024, is a bold and sophisticated compact SUV that takes its name from the Spacious Terramar racetrack in Spain. This model marks Cupra's transition from traditional combustion engines to hybrid technology. Let's dive into the details, starting with its mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid engines, followed by its design, performance, technology, pricing, and global comparisons. Engine options: mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid. 1. Mild hybrid engine specifications. Powered by a 1.5-liter ETSI engine, producing 150 PS. Performance. Designed for quiet and fuel-efficient urban driving. Technology. Features regenerative braking to recover energy, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. 2. Plug-in hybrid PHEV. Engine specifications. Combines a 1.5-liter TSI engine with an electric motor for a total output of 272 PS. Electric range. Offers over 100 kilometers of pure electric driving, ideal for daily urban commutes. Charging time. Fully charges in approximately 3 to 4 hours using a standard charger. The seamless blend of electric and combustion power delivers strong acceleration and exceptional fuel economy on long journeys. Athletic and striking. The Cupra Terramar boasts a dynamic and modern design. Shark nose styling. Aggressive front-end design inspired by a shark's profile, enhancing aerodynamics. Grille and lighting. Signature, full LED headlights and an illuminated Cupra logo define its bold identity. Wheel options. Ranges from 19 to 22 inches, offering ample customization. Rear design. Sleek LED taillights and a sporty rear bumper emphasize its dynamic stance. Interior design. Luxurious and tech-focused. The interior of the Cupra Terramar combines premium materials with cutting-edge technology. Materials. High-quality leather and Alcantara accents contribute to a sophisticated and luxurious cabin ambiance. Digital cockpit. A 12.3-inch fully digital display delivers all essential driving data in a sleek and intuitive format. Infotainment system. A 15-inch high-resolution touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Seating layout. Ergonomic, spacious seats ensure optimal comfort for both drivers and passengers, even on long journeys. Hash performance, tailored driving dynamics. The Cupra Terramar is engineered for exceptional performance and adaptability. Driving modes. Offers eco, comfort, sport, and Cupra modes to cater to different driving preferences. All-wheel drive. The optional Quattro system ensures superior grip and stability, especially on challenging terrain. Acceleration. The plug-in hybrid variant achieves 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 6.5 seconds, combining power and efficiency. Technology. Advanced features. The Cupra Terramar integrates state-of-the-art technology for convenience and safety. Driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking. 360-degree camera enhances visibility, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Sound system. A premium Beats audio system delivers an immersive audio experience. Smart Assistant, a voice-activated AI assistant, streamlines interaction with vehicle functions. Pricing and global comparisons. The Cupra Terramar is competitively priced in various markets, depending on engine type and features. Europe, mild hybrid models, €38,500 versus €42,000. Plug-in hybrid models, €45,000 versus €50,000. Fully electric models, future release, $55,000 and above. USA, plug-in hybrid models qualify for federal and state incentives, with an average starting price of $50,000. Conclusion: Cupra Terramar, the SUV of tomorrow. The Cupra Terramar showcases the brand's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and performance. By transitioning from traditional combustion engines to hybrid and electric powertrains, the Terramar aligns with modern automotive trends. With its dynamic design, advanced features, and versatile engine options, It stands out as a top-tier choice for both city driving and long-distance travel. The Terramar's combination of sporty DNA and cutting-edge technology positions it as a benchmark in the compact SUV segment, making it a compelling option for discerning drivers worldwide. We've reached the end of today's review. The Cupra Terramar truly stands out with its design and performance, making it an impressive SUV. I hope this video gave you a clear insight into its features and capabilities. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Take care.